Oh, this is gonna be good, guys. It's a little hot, so we're gonna let it cool down before I give it to you. Theo doesn't get a slow feeder. Hi, Shoni. Shoni's ready for breakfast. Hey, Brady Scout. Brady and Scout. You're next. You're next. Shoni and Theo. We're just out here cleaning up eye boogies. This is Scout, and I'm her favorite human. Every morning, I give Theo kisses on his boo-boo, right? Kisses. Theo was born with a birth defect. And it's not even really a defect. It makes him so special. Look how cute he is, you guys. He's got some scarring there. He's had 2 surgeries, non-cosmetic, but they had to make sure that there was no cancer. Do you want to go inside for a treat?